Hi, welcome to a new video of micro apps. In this video, I'll explain the use of the variable GL import app. The variable GL import app creates the possibility to set up a customizable import of an Excel file into the general journal of Dynamics 365 Business Central. The user can map columns in Excel to correspond with the fields in the general journal. One of the advantages is that shortcut dimensions can be imported as well. First of all, I will show you how to download this app in your Business Central environment. For that, I navigate to the extension marketplace. And I will look for the variable GL import. It is this one with the green logo, the one of micro apps. I have installed the app already. I can check that by navigating to extension management. Here I can see the variable GL import app and it is installed. With this app, a wizard is also installed. So if I look up wizard, I will see here it is called the General Journal Import Wizards, and I can open this to follow these steps. First of all, I will see a welcome screen, and I can hit next to activate the app. To activate the app, there are two steps to take. First of all, the tenant information needs to be registered. I've done this already because the option is checked. But if I go to register, I can see that the information was taken out of my company information in Business Central. If the company information is not complete, I can fill it in here and then choose for register update tenant information. When I've done that, you will see that the tenant information is registered. I also need to activate the app. I do that by going to the app card. I cannot do the free trial anymore, but if you can hit that button. Otherwise, you go to check subscription pricing and you hit start subscription and you hit yes. Oh, I've already activated it. So, okay, I can see nothing is blocked. I am ready to use this app. Okay, now I hit next. Now it says the users of the app need additional permissions to use the app. Users will, with the super permission set, have sufficient permissions. Okay, so users that are going to use this app, functionalities of this app, need an extra permission set. I'm a super user currently, but like it says, users that are not super users, you would need to assign these permission sets to them. So I can hit next. It's saying that I didn't assign permissions yet, asking me if I want to do it later. I hit yes. Well, now I'm finished with the setup. Okay, great. Now I need to map my Excel file so Business Central understands what I'm trying to import. With the installation of the app, this tab came forward, GL import. If I hit that and choose import mapping, I can create multiple mappings. Well, I've done two. I've done declarations and salary. For example, if I select my declarations and hit import mapping lines, I can see that I've done some mapping. So here I have my column number 1, which is in Excel my column A. Here I've said, okay, this is in the general journal, is my date, so my posting date. I will pick, say OK, and now that field will land in the field of posting date. The same as column number 2. I've chosen document number for that. Document number, this one. because in my Excel, I can say here column number 2 has the document number in it. Well, then if I go to 3 is the account number. Here in my Excel it says the third one is my account number, then the fourth one is my description, how I want my entry to be named, the description of the entry, and then number 5 is my amount that I want to import. Okay, saying we set this up according to the files that we use, could be salary, could be declarations, however you want to book a journal in the system. So what I can do now, going back to my starting screen, I choose GL import and I choose import. I can choose here if I want to ignore the header, yes or no. Like you've seen before in my Excel, my example Excel file, I don't have a header. Some Excel files, of course, they do have a header, so you can then say ignore the header, so that does not get in your way. Well, I don't have a header, so I can turn it off. The file name, I need to upload here my Excel file. I say import file and choose. This import 2 is my example file. I choose open. Okay, now I need to say which import code I want to use. Remember, these are the different mapping sets you can choose. So 1 I've called declarations and 2 salary. Well, this is a declaration file, so I'm picking 1. Then you can also choose which journal you want to choose. So you can actually choose more than only the general journal that you want to pick. Well, I will post it anyway in a general journal. It's in Dutch. This is general, and my batch name, I can let it land in different batches. Well, I have only one standard batch, so that's fine. If I now hit OK, it's saying the lines have been added to journal algemeen, batch standard. Okay, well, now I can have a look. I'm going to my general journal. These are my different templates. I will just use the first one. And now I can see that the file, how I had it in Excel, is directly imported in my general journal, including the GL accounts, the name of the account, description, and the amounts. Of course, I'm totally flexible if I want my balance account in one line, or like in my example, I have them underneath each other so that I will be in balance. Of course, it's totally using the standard Business Central functionality where I have to be in balance before I post anything. So in this way, you see you're totally flexible in the way you are posting your journal, or the way you import your journal, because of the mapping you can do yourself. Well, in this video, I've explained you how you can use the GL import app or extension. I wish you good luck and thank you for watching.